Hey lads, my name is Skychrew and welcome to Backrooms, level 122, found footage. So this is the animation made by Ruster, a new fan-made Backrooms level we don't know. I don't know, I never heard about level 122, so this is gonna be a new for me, perhaps for you as well lads. Shout out to the membership of the channel. So the membership of the channel, who are the membership of the channel for now? Well, I'm gonna say the old ones, the OGs. Tatsy Verps, Love SFM, Ricky Outlet, and George McKiver. At least that's where I'm hoping for now. I need to check that today later. Anyways, regardless, subscribe if you can, lads. Yeah, just subscribe if you can. Let's go. Backrooms, level 122. The Backrooms. What a weird elevator. Ah, it's full darkness. I will not go there, then. There'll be a smiley face. Ooh. There'll be a smiley face popping out. Oh, the Backrooms nose. Dude, the Backrooms are unlimited in my opinion. There's so much of it. Who made Backrooms? I don't know. How it was created. What's the secret of the universe? I have no idea, dude. I have no idea. Elevator. Elevator music. Give me elevator music. Okay, working escalator, dude. Again, going to the darkness. The elevator freaking closed. He doesn't have a choice back now. That's it. He's screwed up, dude. He's messed up. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, that's wicked, dude. That's cool. That's not that bad, actually, like this. It's like hypnotizing. Imagine the entities start to catch chasing him down there, dude. You don't know what's down there? You don't know what's down there, dude. You're in death, and that's death. That's it. He's free. Oof. Oof. I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh, shh. The light activated. The Backrooms knows what's going on, and the heck's there, dude? It's a seats with exit, dude. That's so realistic. That's so crazy as well, dude. I'm so fascinated. How do they make videos of Backrooms? I know I saw one guy post a tutorial how they do it, but definitely not that easy. Dude, that's freaking long, dude. That's big. What a long mall, dude. Yo. That's cool. Is there food? Hey, you got any food? All of this is for yourself. Enjoy. Out of loneliness, he said it. It's pretty empty, dude. Like, as Backrooms should be. Dude, there must be an entity somewhere in one of the shops, dude. I'm telling you. Ah, there you go. Dude. Something happened there for sure. Don't touch that. That's a shroom, dude. That's a shrooms, dude. Not a good one, shrooms. Death shroom, dude. I don't like that marking. You better not follow it. Otherwise, you're gonna fall on the entity, dude. Or even worse. Smiley face. He follows it like a dumbass. Okay, he's dead. Hey lads, we had a good run. This is fascinating. Restroom. Ooh, that does look like a room of an entity, dude. If I was him, I wouldn't go there, dude. Of course he has to go there, out of curiosity. Without being freaking creeped out. Freaking TV, dude! Oh no, don't tell me that's the TV of death, dude. That's the only thing that works, and it's so dark here, dude. What's it gonna show? Oh, it stopped. You better freaking run! The shit changed! It changed its location! What? What? That's crazy! Okay, where's it gonna go? It actually moves, dude. I have no idea where it's gonna go. It's going fast, dude. It's going freakishly fast. Eesh! Well, seems like everything's intact. That means it's not gonna break. Dude, if I were you, I would stay until the next stop. I would just sit and wait. It's going high speed, I can tell. He's probably curious who's the conductor. Who's the guy who's controlling it? It's an entity controlling it. Imagine this the case. Fascinating. It's the first one I see like this, dude. That's cool. It's like a unlimited train, dude. What now? This train is unlimited! That's somebody there. What? Wait. There's a person sitting there. What? It was a mistake to tell it. You better not, dude. Mistake to freaking wake it up. That's his mistake, dude. Did he break out of he glitched to reality again. That ain't good. That ain't freaking good, dude. That's an entity! Run! Holy shit, dude, run for your freaking life, dude. A dead person right there, dude. He lost his life. You better stay in that freaking train. I freaking told you. You better stay in train and just stay in the train. Just chill out. My god, dude. I prefer being killed by a human right there, by that guy, compared to a freaking entity. That's worse. Anyway, let's hope you enjoyed this reaction. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to the series video, again, the friends about the channel, and I'll see you all tomorrow with that video. Thanks for watching. My god, Backrooms are the most crazy, weirdest stuff, dude, you can possibly imagine.